Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you my daily car. We're going to talk about what the plans are for it, what's wrong with it, and what we're going to do to it. But first, let's go to the car wash because I haven't washed this car in over a month, so it's quite filthy. Also, we're going to take a look at the cigarette lighter because for some reason it just stopped working, so we need to get that fixed.
Give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, I'll get my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose that fits, I'm losing shit. It's stupid if you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each do what they, that shit worsens.
Well, that wasn't fun. Minus 0.5 degrees. Let's warm up and then talk about the car. Okay, so we'll head back to the garage to talk about what the car needs done to it, and we'll find out the problem with the cigarette lighter, why it's not working. I'm guessing it's just probably going to be a fuse.
Wrong with you, just go get your own tissue.
So from the exterior, what we need to fix is the parking sensor, front grille, rust on bonnet here, the rust on the door, rust on the door, rust on the quarter panel, refurb the wheels, rear bumper, boot, quarter panel, door. I think the wing is okay. So the plan with it is to fix the bodywork because it has a few rust spots. So we're gonna do a full paint job, refurb the wheels, maybe do a engine chain on it, and then we're gonna put it up for sale so we can buy something more fun. Okay, so let's get the multimeter and check our fuses to see if the cigarette lighter fuse is broken. Okay, so the fuses for the cigarette lighter are here. Pro tip, if you're too lazy to get a screwdriver, you can use a key. Alright, so let's plug the multimeter. Let's see if it beeps. Yeah. So now we're gonna test each fuse to see if any of them are blown. Okay, so I found the fuse that's broken. It's this one, a 20 amp. Let's replace that and see if our cigarette lighter starts working. Okay, thank God this kit has a remover. Yep, as we can see, it is broken. Don't need that anymore. 20 amp. Let's plug it back in. Okay, it's in. Let's see if the cigarette lighter works. I can see a blue light, I think. I think that's done it. Let's plug something else in. It works. Okay, so we just put this back. Turn off the multimeter. Okay, bring these back. Okay, so we got the cigarette lighter working. We washed the car. It looks a little bit better, but the bodywork still needs to get done ASAP. So coming weeks, I will be refurbing the wheels, getting the bodywork straight, and then over one of the weekends, we're gonna do a full paint job. After that, I don't know, we might do a engine chain replacement and a few other bits before we put it up for sale. But yeah, that's pretty much all the plans I have for it because I don't want to keep it. I do want to get rid of it and get something more interesting because content about a Passat I don't think will be too interesting, and it's not too interesting for myself to drive, so I want something more fun. Okay, so if you've enjoyed the video, hit that like button, comment down below what car I should get next as a daily, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.